Discover authentic Malaysian flavors at Kitchenman Nasi Lemak in Singapore. Imagine sinking your teeth into a fragrant, flavorful plate of nasi lemak that captures the warm essence of Malaysian kampung-style cooking. Now, meet Kitchenman Nasi Lemak, a cozy spot in Singapore that serves up this comforting heritage with a modern twist. But here's the catch. One of its most spectacular dishes, the Rendang Chicken, $12.50, isn't available every day. It's a rare gem, cooked only when the chef feels inspired and ready for the challenge. The passionate co-owner and chef, Chio Kar King, 38, from Ipoh, explains that the dish requires meticulous attention. Only a small batch of 20 chicken legs is made at a time, reserved for dedicated lovers of this rich, spicy marvel. Behind its mouth-watering flavor lies a careful blend of lemongrass, galangal, ginger, and shallots, simmered into a thick, fragrant remper. The dry rendang is the real test of skill, taking 3 hours of constant stirring and careful fire management to prevent burning the luscious gravy. The process also involves roasting fresh grated coconut over an ungreased wok for an hour to produce karasik, a natural flavor booster that elevates every bite. When it's finally served, the chicken is bursting with flavor, meaty, spicy, and deeply satisfying. If you can't snag the rendang, don't worry. The dish is also featured as part of the Nasi Lemak Rendang Chicken, $16.80, paired perfectly with coconut rice, ikan bilis, peanuts, a sunny side up egg, and a fiery sambal. The kitchen itself is a humble 40-seat eatery, stripped of any fuss but packed with honest, bold flavors that honor Malaysian kampung traditions. Named Kitchenman as a tribute to those tirelessly working behind the scenes, this spot reflects Chio's vision, reimagining kampung-style cooking while sticking to its roots. That means paying extra for fresh coconut milk, a sign of genuine quality, as most vendors opt for pre-packed coconut cream. Beyond rendang, the menu boasts highlights like the Nasi Lemak Ayam Goreng Berempah leg, $13.80, featuring house-marinated, freshly prepared chicken, with extra marinade fried up into an addictive topping. The sambal, prepared over 5 hours, is a masterpiece on its own. For seafood lovers, the sambal fried fish, $9.50, offers a whole kembang fish marinated in turmeric, pan-fried to crispy perfection, then topped with a Balinese-inspired chili sambal made from red chilies, tomato, onion, and garlic. And don't overlook the 6-ingredient sensation, the 6 Heavenly King, $13.80, a vibrant mix of brinjal, French beans, okra, pungent patai, tempeh, and tau core, all brought together with a house-made dried prawn sambal that packs a punch. Where? The 1st of August 13 CT Hub, 2 Kallang Avenue. MRT, Bendemeer. Open, 11:30 a.m. to 9 p.m. Monday to Saturday, closed Sundays. If you're craving comforting, authentic kampung flavors with a chef's personal touch, Kitchenman Nasi Lemak might just be your new favorite spot. It's a small but mighty reminder that good food is about passion, tradition, and a whole lot of love.